Hello and welcome to J.Racenstein's presentation on green cleaning. I'm Steve Blyth and we're going to talk a little bit about what does green cleaning mean and how does it affect you. Much of this presentation is going to be product oriented because we're trying to help you with understanding what these products can do and what people are looking for in them. There'll be another series where we talk about what is your role in the workplace, how do you interface, what things should you be doing out at the facility. But for today, we're going to concentrate on the products, what your customers are going to be looking for in the products, and how you can pick products that are going to help you in your work environment. So how did green cleaning really come about? There's an interest from environmentalists, of course, been out there since the 70s and Earth Day. But really what's caused it to be pushed into the marketplace is an executive order from the President, Executive Order 13101, that said that the government buyers needed to buy environmentally preferable products. There's a group called the U.S. Building Council that has put together a standard called LEEDS, L-E-E-D-S. And that LEED standard has a whole ranking on how you become a LEEDS certified or environmentally friendly building. And one small piece of that LEED certification, all right, is the cleaning chemicals and how you clean. And there's some points in there that will help them meet their LEED certification to be able to do that. If you're dealing with a LEEDS building, it's very specific, and if you're going to do a lot of them, it's probably going to serve you to look into finding out how to get somebody in your crew or yourself LEED certified as a consultant. You go through a series of exercises and exams and you come out with a certificate that says I'm LEED certified. Very, very important for those large building managers to see that someone in your organization might be LEED certified. But that's, again, right at the very, very top of the pyramid of the building structures. All the buildings down below, take for instance our California Department of Motor Vehicles building in Costa Mesa. That building is never going to be LEED certified. It was built in the 60s, all right? But they want to clean it in a green way. What standards do they have? Well, the standards they have are what they see in the LEED certificate. So they're going to transfer this need and this ability from becoming LEED certified at the top of that pyramid into a building that, while not ever going to become LEED certified, wants to have green cleaning. So how's that going to impact us? Most people want to see some sort of a seal, some sort of a mark that says this product is green. And while a company can say my product is green, I've got a green product like this one that's colored green, all right, they often will say, how do I know it's green? Is there a third-party certification? And there are several companies that do that. Green Seal is probably the #1 recognized company for doing it. They're sort of the UL Underwriters Laboratories for electronics equipment, equivalent in the green certification process. But it is a paid-for service. You pay Green Seal to get your item certified. Designed for the environment. And that's an EPA program where you take your product that currently make and you say, I want to make it green. And they work with you through an approved list of products, packaging materials, the cap, the process in the manufacturing plant, the type of plant, where the refuse water goes after they make it, all these things to say that you have improved your process enough that the EPA recognizes that you have designed this new product for the environment. And, notably, they want it to clean just as well as it did before you went through this process. Another one is Ecologo, which is a Canadian-based consulting stamp that's available on products, as well as there is EnviroClean. EnviroClean is managed by the same people that manage the MSDS labels all over the United States. So if you call up the number on an MSDS, often you're calling the people that are going to tell you how to deal with that product, all right? And they also have a green component to them that says this is their green certification within their MSDS program. U.S. Building Council has come together with their jury of people that have made a decision to say that aerosol propellants will not be qualified for LEED points. So if you want to use a cleaner in a LEED certified building, it's going to be with a trigger spray or wiped on, and it won't come from an aerosol in order to make that lead point capability. However, aerosol is a very good way to clean in someone that's not concerned about lead certification. Aerosol delivery uses less chemical. It delivers it in a finer and a more specific pattern, and often ends up costing people less money. So let's talk a little bit about what these products are available to you now. First, we're going to be interested in, of course, window cleaning solutions. So we have this one here that I've been calling the green cleaner because it's green. Is earth friendly, has a EnviroClean seal, all right, and a very nice dilution rate. And people that have used it so far have found it to work well with a washer wand and a squeegee. All right. This item here is one that we're all probably going to be familiar from late night TV, is HydroxyPro. All right, and it's also a very high concentrate, and it carries a green seal label, and the people that have used it so far have found it also to work well with a washer wand and a squeegee. So, and our third one for this presentation is GreenLogic's glass and surface cleaner. This one has a Design for the Environment EPA label, and is been shown to be a very good cleaner, as well as working well with a squeegee. So these are the first three that I would look at as products for people that need a third-party certification. That ends our brief discussion today on what kinds of green cleaning opportunities are out there for you and the products that you can use.